So welcome back to the channel. So today, this is something different. I might start a portion of the channel about this stuff regarding riding, helmets, shoes, jackets. Well, for the past few weeks, I have been posting about riding with my buddies. And somehow we thought that um, it will be more fun and exciting if we have comms. So for the past 3 weeks or so, plus or minus, I've been researching about Intercom. And I researched from the most expensive like Sina or Cardo to the cheapest like Lexine, Freedcon, and we settled on the middle ground. So this product is in between of all of those products. So introducing So why this? First, when it comes to Bluetooth, there are comms that you need to press a button to get in touch with someone. Um, it's uh, it's like almost using a radio. And then there's another where if you get disconnected, reconnecting is a hassle. And then mesh comes in, where mesh you can pair it, separate, and then get paired again. So this is where this comes in. So this is a mesh. And it's from China. Yes, the price is in between cheap China and expensive, well, cheap Cardocina. So it's in between those, but with the mesh technology. So I think it's a good bargain. So I cannot endorse this yet because the reason why we bought this, they didn't sponsor us or they didn't give this to us, so this is going to be an honest review. But I'm with all, because I talked to the manufacturer, and with all the conversation that we had, I think I'm leaning towards this. Hopefully all that he mentioned is true, then I'll be happy with this. So what's in the box? What's in the box? So instructions. The comms. It's very small. See? Very aerodynamic. Big words. What else? Charger type C. The comms, which is speakers. They're heavy. Hopefully they're good quality. Actually, we bought two. One is with me and one is with Patrick. You've seen him. He's the one riding the Aprilia. And he said that the sound is really amazing. So I'll take his word for it. And they provide the boom. Do they call it the boom? I think they do. And then this one. So mic, speakers, and so this is sticker. This is a clip version. So they even told me that I can buy this and this separately. So if I have more than one helmet, I can just install this to my helmets. So transfer this to the helmet that I'll be using. So, as I've said, this is a mesh. So to pair, according, I saw a video made by the manufacturer that you just have to press this. Well, we'll probably discuss this when I use it. But for now, we're gonna unbox this, install this, and then I'll probably ride for a while today, just to listen to it with my own ears, and I can say if it's good or not. And then maybe in a few days, Patrick and I can ride and we can test the comms. I would probably borrow Don's 360 so I can connect this with the 360 so we can record the audio from the mic and from the speakers. So let's install it. So this is my helmet for almost 3 years. I'll probably make a review about this. So I think first let's put the speakers. And let's take this off. So there should be a pouch for the speaker. So for HJC RF11, there you go. So all you have to do is actually find where your ear placement is and then center the speakers. So how do we find out where to put this? Well, probably wear the helmet and then insert something where you can trace your ear like so. Take the helmet together with this one. There you go. Dead center. So let's put, so there's a right and a left. No need to stick this because the HEC has it. So most probably the longest one would be the right one. And if you're not happy with how it sounds, you can move it afterwards. Now, I think I like to use this one so it can be far from the front and I can actually put it, I don't know yet. Well, if in the future I don't like it, I can change it. So before I snap this in, let's figure out where to mount this. So I think I need to remove this. This is my mount for my ghost drift. So let's take this off. Go. No adhesive left. I think instead of using the adhesive type, because it's so easy to insert this, it's in, and then mount it like so. I think I'll probably just use this, but nah, there's going to be space, so that I don't like. And another thing to consider is to where to put it, because if you put it too much front every time you press it, let's put this on. Let me just show you what I mean. So you put it here, put it too much at the back, so you need to put it here, not here, not at the back, not here. I think this is the best place. This. I think this is the best place. So all we need to do now is to slide this in. And then let's route this. So there's only one port for the headset and for charging. I think if I push this in here, I think that will be safe. The back, here, like so. That was very easy. Thanks to the design of HJC, nothing is difficult. Do is to push the mic. So press. So instructions. Let's just power this on and then connect my phone and then listen to some music. Power on. This and this for 2 seconds.
Power on.
Battery 100%.
Nice.
그것도 안 쪄져.
So, testing was successful. Called the wife while I was driving at 120 kilometers, and she said that it was clear. I can hear the music as well. And then Patrick actually called me at, well, I was driving about 80 kilometers per hour, and I was able to answer it through this button. And I think let's call this a good purchase. One thing left to do is to connect it with Insta360 and then connect by mesh. That's the next video coming. If you want to hear some updates about this intercom, do like and subscribe. This is done. Peace.